Alright, it don't happen again though. Just take 1 minute for your time and listen to this our brother wey una dey see for our screen and see what he said in this video concerning what is going on now in Biafra land. So do not forget to follow this page, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that anytime updates drop, I go dey bring am back to back. Just take 1 minute of your time and listen to him and share the video to go viral. One love.
Why are some people comparing Eastern Security Network or unknown gunmen with Niger Delta militants with jihadist terrorists? Why are some people trying to make the comparison? I've seen this comment like 3-4 times that they are the same thing. Somebody was even telling me that when Goodluck Jonathan was going to Niger Delta to negotiate with terrorists, they told him that it's going to backfire. So right now, why are we condemning state governors negotiating with Fulani bandits and Fulani terrorists? How some of us say they think for this country? So let me tell us the difference. Let me start with Niger Delta militant or Avengers. The best I know. You can correct me when I'm done. Oil is from Niger Delta. The first raw material, the first cash flow in Nigeria is crude oil. That crude oil comes from the Niger Delta. Most of the oil well in Niger Delta is owned by Northerners and Westerners. Of course, some people in South-South. That means what is bringing money to Nigeria comes from South-South. But the problem was this. The development no dey South-South. If you know about oil they destroy crops. Oil they destroy soil. Oil they destroy water. If oil dey water, fish, crayfish and seafood no fit dey there. So this was negatively affecting those living around that environment, those waterline environment, that water angle, riverine environment. No development, but all the money that Nigeria is making is coming from us. That is what led to militants to come and develop our land. Give us a quota. Let us have derivative. I think it's 13%. Host communities, give us something. So that was what the negotiation was all about. And they have never left Delta State, River State, Bayelsa State, that their territory, and move into Anambra State, move into Benue State or Enugu State to buy people. They have only operated in their territory because that is where they are. Come down to Eastern Security Network, because some people don't know the difference between Eastern Security Network and unknown gunmen. Nnamdi Kanu established ESN, Eastern Security Network, to be the security outfit, and their job is in the bush. You see this by way Fulanis they do now. MNK they talk and sins, but some people don't really listen. So the job of ESN is to be in the bush to tackle Fulanis with the by people. That is their jobs. But when he was now arrested in 2021, someone else, Simon Ekpa, took over. And Simon Ekpa also has genuine intentions. But like we always know, when there is a genuine motive, when there is a genuine agenda, when something good is happening, people will always want to infiltrate it, corrupt it, vandalize it. I don't know grammar I go use. They always want to take over to spoil them. That was what happened in the time of NSAS. Those in Lekki toll gates, they had genuine motives, but people enter and hoodlums take over. So the wrong people now take over, waiting they happen. Now then be this UGM unknown by men we people talk about. No be more Nnamdi Kanu establish UG unknown government. Now ESN he establish, and their work now for bush, not to the kidnap people, not to the rob. Their work now for bush against Fulani herdsmen. Now, even the ESN, they have been operating within their territory. Even the unknown government where they Juzu now, they have been operating in their territory, southeast. Have you heard of unknown government in Benue State? Have you heard of unknown government in FCT or in Lagos State? They've been operating in their territory. Now let's come to the Fulani jihadists. They live in the north. Northern Nigeria has more land for animals, because people are trying to justify this thing they are doing. Even President Tinubu said it yesterday in Benue State that negotiate with them, dialogue with them, natural grazing routes. They are not looking for grazing routes. Their goal is to come in, dominate, take over a city, build their home, raise their family, chase away those that are there. That is what they are doing. So what is the agenda of Eastern Security Network? Biafra. What is the agenda of Niger Delta militants? Take care of us. You are taking our oil. What is the agenda of Fulani jihadists? If it is national grazing, so you are trying to tell me that all the people that have been buying, including Hamufu, all the people that have been buying, do you know the people Fulani are buying in Nigeria? We are online with the social media. We see videos every day. There is virtually no state in Nigeria where Fulani herdsmen never go buy people. So all those states, they the national grazing route. You come to those states, they are in different places, different bushes. So those bushes, they the national grazing routes. So some hunters, like they call them, that left River State and they were in a trailer going to Kano that time for a festival, that were carrying Kala. So River State is still in their national grazing route. So River State is still national grazing route for Fulani herdsmen. Let us be intelligent in this country and learn how to make comparison, not unnecessary dialogue. What is the agitation of Fulani herdsmen? Nothing genuine that I'm seeing, unless jihad movement trying to take over everywhere, trying to Islamize everywhere, trying to come to the, are you serious? Come to the village in the night when it was raining, buy everybody. There are more than 200 children because of natural grazing route. That doesn't make sense to me. So they are all different. They are not the same. Don't compare Eastern Security Network with Niger Delta militants and with what? Fulani herdsmen, where they buy people. They are not the same. I've said my own. Anyway, what I talk wrong, correct me. But this is the fact and the figures. Bye, guys.